Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Organize to Save, and today I'm going to give you a couple steps that you can do in order to have a productive routine before the kiddos wake up, so stay tuned. Alright, so mornings, we know they can be utterly chaotic, especially if you're a mama. You know that as soon as the kiddos wake up, forget about doing anything for yourself. So today I want to just walk you through my morning routine and just share a couple tips and tricks with you as far as how to have a productive morning and get a little bit of time to yourself. But before we dive into the video, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and on my channel I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any other videos as I post them every single Wednesday. So grab your coffee and let's go ahead and get ready for the day. So first things first, get out of bed. I like to wake up at 5:30 because that gives me lots of time before my daughter wakes up. I am not one that likes to get out of bed, so I incorporate Mel Robbins' 5-second rule, and that's basically count from 5, and as soon as you get to that last number, get out of bed. I will leave her linked down below if you want to learn more. Now, I know that your mama probably told you when you were growing up to make your bed, but honestly, guys, it just helps set your day off right, and it's an easy thing that you can check off your list. All right, time to work out. I'm gonna head downstairs and get my app set up and my equipment out. Let's do this. All right, now I will tell you, I do not work out every single day. One of my goals this year is to increase my working out to 3 times a week. So I'm really trying to incorporate this by working out in the mornings. And one way I like to do that is by working out at home utilizing the Tone It Up app. These workouts are really nice because they are short. They are anywhere from like 15 to 30 minute increments. It's really doable for me to be able to squeeze that in during my morning routine. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave that linked in the description box below. So on the mornings where I'm not working out, I normally use my extra time to get some stuff done around the house. So that could be doing the dishes, starting a load of laundry, just little things that I can do just to get things going in the morning. All right, so if you don't know this about me already, I am a coffee addict. So after I get all cleaned up, I like to head down and make myself a yummy cup of coffee. As a busy mama, I treasure these morning times where I can just sit and enjoy a nice hot cup of coffee without having to warm it up in the microwave. Yes, you heard me. So with waking up early, it gives me time to actually enjoy my coffee. So after I get my coffee, I love to turn on either a podcast or a YouTube video or something that helps get me motivated for the day. So on this particular day, I chose to listen to Hollis's Ride podcast. She just really helps get you motivated, and she has so many great guests that come onto her podcast. So check it out if you haven't done so already. Alright, so who's with me? Do you use dry shampoo? For me, it is honestly like my best friend because I am not one that likes to wash my hair every day. As a busy mom, I just don't have the time anymore to dry it and straighten it and style it because I am on the go. So utilizing the dry shampoo just helps get a few more days out of my hair. Threw it up into a cute little bun just to get it out of my face. But honestly, if you haven't tried dry shampoo, give it a try. Alright, so the last thing that I do in order to get myself ready is just put on some makeup. Not one that spends a ton of money or time on makeup. I like to utilize it, and on this day I did a little bit more than I normally would because I knew I was going to be filming a video. But it really just helps to put the finishing touches on getting ready for the day. absolute favorite part of my morning routine is my devotional quiet time. I am using a devotion book and this little notebook, which is my absolute favorite. I love how it has all these different sections, but one of my favorite parts is the Today I Am Grateful For section. If you do not practice daily gratitude, I highly encourage you to give it a try. Just write down 5 things that you're grateful for that day. They can be simple things like that hot cup of coffee, or they could be huge prayers. Now, this book that I am using is Pressing Pause. This one is great for busy mamas. I love the layout of it, so I'll leave that link down below. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips or tricks that you do for your mornings in order to have a productive day. And if you like this style video, put a big thumbs up so I know that you guys like this kind of video so I can make more for you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss any other videos coming your way, and I'll catch you guys next time.